Yeah, very good evening to all the participants here. My name is Gopi Krishna. I am working in Tally for last 6.5 years. I am almost all associated with the customer services and partner services also. So I was there in partner desk as well as I used to test the product. So now I am responsible for Tally service partners enablement. So whatever the processes we have in Tally, so we need to take it to our partners. That enablement responsibility I am having it right now. And I am in right now services department which looks after customer care as well as our Tally service partner. So today we are going to discuss about L1 support system or Tally CRM which is given for our Tally. How many are the first timers you are attending this session for Tally CRM? How many are first timers? I know Rupa, she has already attended, and what about others? Anwar from Nakshatra Technologies or Shilpa. Okay, Anwar says he has attended before also already. Right, what about Shilpa? Shilpa, are you there with me? Okay, is this the first time, Shilpa, you are attending, or before also you have, what is Tally CRM? What about Mr. Praveen? Okay, there is one more participant joined in Panache Solutions. Okay, may I know who's there from Panache Solutions attending? Okay, Shilpa says she is first time attending. Yeah, thank you very much, Shilpa. So let us start the session. Today what we are going to cover for Tally Service Partner webinar. So we will see introduction to support system, how it works and why it is important for TSPs. Understanding support menu, support tab in the partner portal. And I will show you the entire walkthrough of the demo of the support center. And at the end we'll take some questions and answers and we will understand what is services opportunity also, and there is one more webinar called services opportunity where Tally will give service leads to our Tally service partners across India through SMS or mail. So that also you can attend, and any feedback suggestions you can give it to me at the end of the session so we can discuss the same. So what is a support system? It is nothing but customer issue tracking, where you will track each and every query of your customer and help in tracking the same in your system. So why it is important, we will understand when we go through the demo. As it is centralized information, it can be accessed anywhere from at any time by any executive which you will create. And why it is given to TSPs now? TSPs will play a major role in services business from now onwards. So any new feature of Tally.ERP 9 training and walkthrough will be taken care by the Tally service partners, and in future, so you will become our L1 support layer. So that is the reason we are tracking all the customer issues. So importance of having good support system we will understand by logging in. So these are the things which we are going to cover: login and support, and how to create users, and knowledge base also will understand. So first is preferred partner linking. So this is very much important as a TSP Tally service partner. How many customers we are acquiring to our company? So that becomes a very important thing. How it can be, how you can acquire more and more customers for services. For example, you are selling the product also, selling Tally, but we don't know right now how many are you are servicing, right? So how many support customers you do have for your company. So to understand that, this is very important, preferred partner linking through customer. So how customer can select you as a preferred service partner, that we will see now. See, one more thing to all the participants, if I'm very fast or slow, please let me know. And if you're unable to understand what I'm saying, please stop me and ask any questions if you have, right? So, as it is one-way communication, I hope that you are getting it, and we will continue. If you find any difficulty in understanding, please stop me and let me know your query so that I can clarify it. Yeah, is that fine with all? Am I fast or slow? Are you able to understand what I'm saying right now? Okay, Shilpa says yes, yeah. Okay, fine. So now, preferred partner linking, why it is required and how it is being done. So we'll see now. For example, any customer you sell or you support the customer, right? So how do you select him as your preferred service partner? How customer can select you as a preferred service partner? So that is the question, right? So all customers you are supporting right now, but we don't know how many uh, you are supporting right now in the count, right? So what we have to do, whenever you contact your customer, or when customer calls you, or you will go to the customer place, whatever the communication type. So first of all, you need to see whether you have customer has selected you as the preferred service partner or not. So how to do that, I will let you know. So I will go to support center from customer. Let us assume this is a customer Tally where he is posting the issue. Okay, this computer, it is taking time. Let me take my own computer to track it. So I'm just logging into the computer where I'll open Tally and try to post one issue. Right. So I'm here. I'll go to support center. And if you connect to my support center, you can see the entire screen where it will show the posted issues. So I will go to new issue now. So here I will be able to select new service partner. For example, if you are a sales partner to any customer, whenever you goes to new issue, your name will be defaulted here by opening new issue. Okay. So no need to go and search for the service partner. But if your name is not there, then you can go to new service partner and say keyword. So there are partners here who are logged in. So let me take any one of the name here and log in and show how to post an issue to a particular partner. Let us say Nakshatra Technologies. So we can see now there is one Nakshatra Sales and Services, that is Ichal Karanchi at Maharashtra, and one more is there, Nakshatra Technologies, Hubli, that what Mr. Anwar was he is logging in from. So like this, you can select your name in the new service partner list. So by selecting that, your name will come and sit here. Can you see? Nakshatra Technologies, so it will come. So one way is that I can search by the name, or now I can search by the location also. For example, if I say Pune, Maharashtra, so it will search the partners available in Pune. Can you see how many partners are there? So all the partners it will list it. So Shilpa was saying that does craft work, right? Craft work. So this is the partner name. So she is logged in. So her name is also, the company name is also visible here. So I can just log in, how you can reply to the queries and how you can add the queries also. So anyone can just give me your login details. I will be able to show on live, so that how it works, you will be able to relate it more. Okay, Shakti is giving me the details. Okay, even Anwar has given me. Alright. Shilpa is also giving. Anyone can give me the password also. Shakti has given. Let me take Shakti. Shakti, may I know your company name? Shakti? Okay, Sanform you meant to say. Fine. Right. So let us take the new partner who is logging in here. Shilpa has given me the login details. Alcat dash perf. So anyhow, I'm in dash craft work now. Deutsche. Is it right? Am I spelling it correctly, Shilpa? Deutsche Kraftwerk. Is that correct? Okay. So let me post one issue now. Any customer you speak to or you come in contact with, so please ask them to put one issue at the beginning so that you will become his preferred service partner. So this is one of the important things that you have to do, where it will show the details, right? So now, yeah, Shilpa says correct. I am pronouncing it properly, the company name. Yeah, thank you for the confirmation, Shilpa. So let me put now, selecting, so he's saying, hi partner or whatever the name I want. Okay, test issue. For demo, I'll write it. Right, so like this you can type whatever the contents you want, and you post one issue to your account. Right, so when I post issue, it will show there, and it will post into the support center. Yeah, can we see now? You are able to see there is an issue which is logged in, and at present it is saying current owner is Deutsche Kraftwerk, right? So like this, it will post an issue to the account. So now, let me log into the partner account and show how it works. Okay, so I'm going to log into the partner account and show, right? So I will log into the partner account and we will see how it works. Let me take. So before going there, let me just give you the advantages of preferred partner linking. So this is what you have to do. Any customer you meet, so ask him to select you as a preferred service partner. So that will be fine enough. I think we are getting more and more participants logged in. So I request all the participants to put your company name and from where you are logging in, so that it will be easier for us to identify and keep a track of training records. Gayatri, then Rupali, Shakti has given the name. Yeah. Gayatri is from Shresha Technologies. Yeah. Thank you very much, Gayatri. So any new joinees right now, and you can give me the details. Right. So coming back to the webinar, preferred partner linking. So what are the advantages of it? So whenever you select yourself as a preferred service partner, right? So when customer goes to any online sales, it will show the partner name, your name by default, right? So whenever he wants to buy any upgrades or a package, it will open with the your company name. So it is not opening here. Let me take here itself. So I'll just log out of my account. Everybody, are you able to see the screen now? Tally website screen. So I'm logging in with one of the partner login. Shilpa, is this the admin login? Whatever you have given. Okay, yeah. She says yes. So I'm logging into the partner account, which I have posted the issue. Yep. Now we can see the login details. It is only the customer account you have given. Are you a TSP right now? Is it being enabled? Because this account it shows only customer. It is in the role of customer only. Okay, Shakti is giving. Yeah, you can give me the details, Shilpa. Just type the details. So till then, okay, Abhay. I'll take Abhay. Yeah. Yeah, Shakti, I got your login details. I will log in. As I have posted the issue to already Dash Crosswork. So I am just checking whether I will be able to do that. So please, one sec. Right. So this is TSP account. Absolutely correct. So now, when you log into the system, this is how it looks like the main page or the home page, right? So you can see Tally CRM option here. So I click Tally CRM and go directly to Tally CRM. From there, I can explain it to you how it works. Okay. So this is dashboard, what it is showing. So dashboard in the sense, whoever is logged in, for example, Abhay Jail is logged in now. So for his TSP Tally CRM dashboard it is. So there is appointment and calendar also. And right hand side it will show some summary. Now we can see there is one support issue pending into his account because the customer has posted an issue and it will show as pending right now. So like this, it will show the information for even executive who has logged in, right? So this and all we will understand later, and we will get account dashboard also. So there is a difference between my dashboard and account dashboard. Okay, my dashboard is whoever is logging into the account, and account dashboard is the entire TSP account. That is this company name now dash crossword, right. So this is entire dashboard for the company itself. So wherever there is name as account, it implies that it is a entire TSP account information, and my dashboard is it is the user who logged in, right? So now we will understand here. So there will be some moved out this month. So how you can get the details, right? And you have not acquired any new customers in this month, it says. You have 0 TallyNet customers inactive. So like this, it will show the information of customer attentions also, right? So we'll see now how support issue can be answered. So any doubts there here on dashboard? So some attentions also it gives means you none of your customers have moved out. I will explain it to you how a customer can move out from your organization and how it will show here. Okay. So Shakti says nothing. What about Shilpa who are new to this webinar or Tally CRM? Any doubts till now? Okay, no. Right. Thank you very much. And let us move on now. And then you can see above there are tabs available for Tally CRM like leads, support, accounts, knowledge base, admin and reports. So support is for entire support activities. Leads is for all your lead management like service lead or the sales lead if you want to track it in the system, right? And then accounts to search the customer details and other information. Knowledge base to search the queries, solutions, whatever you want to know to serve the customer. And admin is where you can do some templates creation, whatever options are given. And reports, importantly for sales service reports, like executive wise or the issue wise or the category wise, you can get it. So let us go to support bucket now, the tab. So here there are issues will be coming to you directly from the customers, right? So how do we track this? How do we get to know where customer issue is available? So as I told you before, account means entire THP account. So now all the issues will come and sit here in bucket all, right? So now once I select that bucket, can you see the issue posted by me is visible to you as a ticket. Can you see this? And when I go here, so to the ticket number, you'll be able to see who has posted the issue. So my name is coming automatically because it is my license which I have posted to you, right? And in referred service partner. Like that, you should acquire more and more customers so that your database will grow big and we will be able to say that the partner is supporting so many customers. So now I'll post response to this, right? When I receive mail, I have to reply to the customer, right? So when I reply to the customer, I can go to add response by email out, means the email way I am going to reply, or customer may call to me for the same issue. I can respond by telecall in or telecall out or posting, where posting means it will go directly to the customer's Tally.ERP 9 support center. So that's the only difference. So I can add response by mail out. So let me add response by mail out first. So now you can see automatically customer details is tracked. So customer details are tracked, is account ID, name and site details, everything is tracked automatically. So then I will reply to the customer. I can say dear customer or dear Gopi, thank you for selecting us as preferred service partner. So we are happy to serve you. Contact us for any service requirements. Yeah, Gayatri is asking, sir, please again explain once again the bucket. Yeah, I'll come back to the bucket. So I'll just reply to the customer. So I can say, who is replying? I can say Shilpa from Deutsche. So I'm not sure correctly I'm writing it down or not. So I'll see. Okay. So like this I can write it. Even signature can be stored in the system. So by default, executive wise, and even I can insert templates. If customers are asking the same query, I can go and insert template which automatically it inserts the information which I have stored. You can also create your own templates in the system so that your replying will become easy. So I'll show you how to create templates when I go to admin tab, right? So I am replying to the customer saying, thank you very much for contacting us. So we will So as it is a posted issue for service partner, I select miscellaneous and dealer. So all other categories are available like accounting, licensing, data management, whatever it is. So wherever you support the customer, all the categories will be available to you. Then I have from email ID. So you can observe here from email ID is support@tallisolutions.com. So this implies that our Tally service partner is authorized to use support@tallisolutions.com because you are our L1 support layer, right? So when you are using support at Tally Solutions, you become part of support level what we have. So as customer care also is called as L1 support level, and as even Tally service partner are L1 support level. So I'll select support at Tally Solutions and I reply to the customer. So save it. Now the reply will go to the customer. The issue is also moved from, you can see the reply already came to my inbox. So this is the way it comes. Now you can see here, the company name is visible first. That is Darsha's Craftwork, and then it says support@tallisolutions.com. Right? You can see that the name of the company and then support@tallisolutions.com is visible and the reply is visible to the customer. Right? So now the issue goes from new bucket to resolved bucket. Can you see here? It goes to resolved bucket. Right? So as Gayatri was saying, please explain about the buckets. Yeah. Account issues means, Gayatri, it is entire TSP account. If Testers Technologies is there and if there are 15 or 20 executives, all the executives queries will be visible here, or tickets will be visible here. Entire account of your company. And when you select that, it will show different buckets over there, like total, new, and then open, reopen, resolve, and close by customer. Now, whenever customer is posting issues, you come and sit in new bucket. Right? And when you reply to the customer, it comes and sits in resolved bucket. Means from your end, you have given the solution. Right? So when customer replies back to the same email or same ticket, that will be visible under open and reopen bucket. Replying to the mail or when replying to your customer query, how it works? Okay, Shilpa says no. Gayatri, are you able to get what I'm saying? Yeah. Right? So now you can see in customer account also, the reply will be visible. I can go to support center. So I'll just say all. So even it is not showing. So the reply will come here and it will show in the system. So I don't know why it is not showing. Let me take the system here. So by default it is selecting Bangalore as site. So the issue will be visible here to the customer. It is not showing right now. Maybe some difficulty in this build of Tally. So when customer receives the mail, he will be able to see the issue and then he can close it also, right? So he can just go and click on close button and it will be closed from his end, right? So that's the way the customer will be able to see and you are able to select the partner as you yourself as a partner, right? So okay, I'll just come back to you. Just give me a moment. Yeah, I'll minimize it. So let me go to Tally. It is not connecting from here. Okay. Right? So when we close the issue, it will come and sit in the close by customer. Right? So now you may be getting so many issues from the customer directly to your mobile or your executives or your office phone. So when you receive the customer call, you can record it in from new button, right? Go to new button and record it is in call in or call out, right? So why it is required to track the entire support issues, right? So it is very important as a customer for partner to just show how we work for support services. So it is just to ease our business relationship with the customer, how do we interact with the customer in better manner? Right? So it may take some time to feed in issues to your Tally CRM account, but in future, in long run, it is going to definitely help. So depending on your performance of Tally CRM usage, so we'll be giving you the leads from Tally, like service leads or even large account rollouts. So large accounts in the sense you know already Docomo and other large accounts which we are implementing nationwide. So that will be given to our quality TSPs. So when you start using the system, we will be able to assess you as a performing TSP and our effective TSP, and we can give you the information, right? So when you track even the calls which you receive on your phone or on your office, so that will add it to your activity of the TSP account. So can anyone give me your customer details so that I can show how to enter the new telecall here? Anyone can give me the customer details? Anyone's Tally serial number is enough. Okay, Shakti has given. Let me take the serial number. So I have entered the serial number. You can click on search button. So now you can see it will search the customer details automatically. Mr. Cholan is the customer. Cholan is customer account ID or Selvaraj is the name. So I can select him and it will show me the customer details, right? So he's from Tiruchengood in Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Okay. So his service or sales lead. If he wants to buy our services, on-site service or whatever it is, I can add it. So now let us check the support issue which I am going to add. So customer details automatically tagged. So subject you need to enter by brief because it is a telecall interaction. You need to enter the details of customer in brief detail so that other person who is tracking can see the details. So let me say customer asks for backup procedure. So I'll say test issue. So here you can say what is the query. Customer wanted to know auto backup procedure. So you can write the steps if you want it, or you can say guided the customer, right? Step 1, step 2, you can write it, or even you can go to KB search from here and say auto backup. So auto backup and restore, let me say that. So it will show me the options how to take auto backup, or right. So you can just copy this information and put it in the telecall interaction, or you can go to link to ticket option, right? So there is an option to link to ticket from here. So it's been linked now. So the issue will be linked by this procedure. You can see here the procedure to restore data taken automatically also is been given. So once it is been done, so it is understood that this article has helped, and you can go to say the issue is closed. Yes, I will say, and then I can select data, and then I have data back. And one more thing, very important, it shows me the recent interaction if this customer has interacted with us before, like if he has contacted our customer care or any other partner, it will be visible here. So for this number, there are no interactions available right now. So I will save it and I will show it to you in a different ticket also. Right now the issue is being posted, and you can see that it goes and checks in resolved bucket. So this is the telecall symbol and this is the tally symbol, means it is being posted from ERP account, and it is posted by TSP using new telecall in. Right. So let me go to any other customer and put the serial number. Let me put my one itself. So when I'm searching for the customer details, you can see here. So when I posted an issue, it is showing here, and it is posted to abayat Dutchcraftwork.com, right? So like this, you will be able to see the tickets, previous tickets of this. So what is the use of this? Can anybody tell me? You will be able to see the entire interaction what he has made with Tally. Although you are a partner, even you will be able to see if he has sent it to Tally support center, or if he has contacted any other customer care. So what is the use of this? Yeah. Can anybody tell me? So let it be interactive session so that even I will be confirmed whatever we are discussing here is able to is understood from the participants or not. Please interact more and more. So why it is showing the entire interaction history? Okay, Gayatri says I understood clearly. Yeah, why it is showing Gayatri? That's what I mean to see. How it helps me when I am supporting the customer. Shilpa. So new partners who are there here can throw light on this. Why it is important to see the previous interaction of the customer when I'm searching for the customer serial number, when I'm adding interaction. Okay, Gayatri says we can see that what is the problem faced by the customer. We can understand the customer problem faced. Yeah, absolutely. Repeated issue we easily answer. Yeah, Shakti has given me. See, that's right. And Anwar says number of times that he has interacted. Absolutely fine. That is also correct. And regular use of support center. Agreed, sir. So one more important thing is, let us assume this is the transparency what we are discussing when we give this system to you, right? So for example, customer called our customer care, but he is not supported properly, or he is not satisfied with the solution given. For example, XYZ called our customer care, and there was one executive who was supporting the customer. And he has given the steps like 1, 2, 3 to follow it. But if customer doesn't understand, or he is not able to solve the problem, right, then he may call our Tally service partner, that is you, right? So when you have this system, you will be able to see the details and then see what happened previous to this interaction, whether he has contacted anybody, or is it a first interaction for this problem or not. So when you were able to connect this, you can start where it is stopped, right? So you can start with the troubleshooting where it is stopped by other person, right? So that will help, and customer will be excited to see that. You can say customer to the customer that you have already contacted our customer care, and this was the solution given. What happened to that, sir? So if you can discuss that, customer will be definitely happy, because he knows that now everybody is being in touch, or the system is in place, the technology is in place, they are all connected. So this is why we are giving the interactions also. So I'll just close it. So any doubts here now? So this is the way to add new call or new mail, or you can respond to third partner. So the second one is, any mail sent to support at Tally Solutions will reach your account directly, right? So now, for example, I have selected Deutsche Software as my service partner. Now what I can do, when I'm posting an issue, it will directly post issue to account. It will not come to Tally also. See, I'm saying support at Tally Solutions here. So let me post one issue to you. So I'll go to my account. So I'll say new one. Say support at tallysolutions.com. So let us assume customer is posting issue to you directly, right? So I can mention my details and say connect. So I'll just send a mail to support at Tally Solutions. So my mail is sent to support at tallysolutions.com. Yeah, Shakti, you have any question? Right. So when I go to the home page, the CRM now, so let me refresh once. So now you can see there is one new issue here, right? So what is this new issue we'll see? Can you see this? Even though customer has posted issue to support at Tally Solutions, but it will reach the partner account. So this is also one more advantage where you can have or you can build rapport with the customer, right? So Tally automatically diverts the issue to partner account. Is this clear? Are we able to understand what is happening? Yeah. Shakti says it is possible only selection preferred customer. Yes, absolutely. Customer has to select you as a preferred service partner, then only this will happen, sir. Are we getting what I'm saying? Shilpa says yes. What about others? Rupali, Priyam Infosystems, Gayatri, Shima, or may I know your name? Right? So Mary, yes. So everybody understood this. Now this is the importance of having preferred service partner, right? And then it adds to your customer database in dashboard. I'll show the support dashboard how it shows to you when I go to report, right? So as I was saying, visibility and transparency is there. So TSC system is the link, or Tally CRM is the link between all of us here. So why the support center should be used? Customer may ask questions. Right. Shakti says at the time of sales, it is automatically updated or not preferred, not partner. Yeah. Shakti, at the time of sales, you become preferred sales partner, not the service partner. So you remember this, which is very important. If you sell it to customer, you become a preferred sales partner, but you have to post one issue from the only it becomes preferred service partner. Am I clear? Are we getting this? So it should be done after the sales installation is done. Then you post one issue and tell the customer that why you are doing this, and customer is also aware of it. Okay. So why customer should use the support center? Because visibility and transparency is there. So issues posted will be stored forever for the customer. He can see whenever he wants it. It will be visible here. When you send it to mails, you may not be able to see the details later on, right? So to collate also it will be difficult thing. When you use support center as a customer, you can see the entire interaction history, continuity will be there. And then credibility means when I posted an issue, it is being guaranteed that the issue is there with Tally. Simple. The ticket is generated and the Tally or the partner is responsible for answering this ticket. So credibility is there. You need to explain this to customer, then only he starts using support center. So future reference, history of interactions definitely will be there, and authentication for given support. For you as a service partner also, when you reply to the customer from the support center, it is being authentication, or you have solution is being given. So it is stored forever and no customer can deny it. Right? So at present, if customer comes and complains us, we will not be knowing what is happening behind. So when you post issue, customer office is customer, accountant, manager, business owner. For example, there are 5 people in customer place, and if one person calls and gets the support, and he will be knowing what has happened, right? But others will not be able to know if this system is not used, right? So when you use the system, even accountant, manager, or owner of the business can see the entire interaction, what happened in the support. So this is the visibility. And very importantly, this support center showcase it to your new customers. When you install Tally in the new customer place, just show them how it works and how you will be tracking the queries. Definitely, I will say they will be excited to see this. So this is the quality of the support what we are discussing. Right? Okay. So any queries on support? Now I'll go by one more the information here, buckets. I'll just complete it. So now there is one more bucket called escalations from account. Escalations from account in the sense any escalation you do from your account will be visible here. For example, at present, how are we interacting with partner support? When you find any bug or enhancement required or you don't know the solution, how you are contacting partner support? How are you contacting partner support? So do we know we do have a partner desk also in Tally HO where they will cater to all partner issues? So how are we contacting them or how are we interacting with partner support right now? Gayatri from Shrestha, you are already there from so many days. How are we doing it, ma'am, now? Rupa, Shakti? Okay, Shakti says asking to my MTP. Okay, fine. Then, and how are we tracking when MTP is not getting? Yeah, Gayatri says once again your question. Yeah, what I'm saying, Gayatri, for example, you customer called you and there was a bug, let us assume in VAT for a particular state. Now, you know that that is a bug and it should be rectified. Then how you are sending, are you getting what is my question is? Okay, Gayatri says no. For example, Gayatri, let us assume I am a customer to you. I called you as a partner and I told that there is a bug in VAT and you also checked it, working on that issue and you are also confirmed it is a bug. Now tell me how you are going to take this issue to Tally. How are we solving this? Or how are we informing Tally that this is a bug and it should be rectified? Yeah, Chakri, I will let you know how to do that. So before that, I wanted to understand how are we doing it right now as a TSP? Because the system is in place, so in future you can do it in the system itself so that entire tracking is there for you also. Did you get it, Gayatri, what I'm saying? Or any other person? How are we tracking it right now? How are we sending the information to Tally? This is the bug or this is what required for us. For example, 10 customers sends you a query. Okay, Gayatri says still have not faced that problem. So direct mail to Tally. Okay, Chino says direct mail to Tally. And then Shakti says write mail to support@tallysolutions.com. Okay. So now, from now onwards, you are a TSP account. So what we will do, I will just let you know. For example, I got a mail here from customer. So this is the issue. Let us assume this is a bug what he is reporting for me. So what I will say, I will first reply to the customer, keeping the issue open status, right? Let us say, dear customer, we have noted this as a bug and we will forward it to Tally Solutions rectified. You will get a response from Tally directly have received a query, right? So, and you will reply in a open status. So you will not going to close it, right? The issue close is say no. Transfer escalate also I will say no. And let me say it is a VAT issue and it is a bug in Karnataka VAT. Okay, Mary says we will mail to partner support. Yeah. So if you mail it as partner support also, only one person will be knowing in your account, ma'am, in your office, right? For example, you know the problem, you will send it to the partner at support, but nobody else will know. But by using the system, everybody in your company will be able to see how many issues being escalated and how it is happening. So I'm replying to the customer right now. So I'll just save it. Now customer has received a reply. So it's already there. So reply went to customer. Now the issue is in still open status. Can you see here? Right now you can escalate this issue to Tally. For example, go to transfer escalate and say transfer escalate to ticket to TIPL. Right? And you can say bugger enhancement. So you can write any comments you wanted or remarks. So I'm just writing test issue ignore. So now it says perform successfully and then it will go out of your account. Can you see that issue is not there and it will go and sit in escalations from account. Now this ticket is assigned to Tally Solutions Private Limited. You can see that. Now Tally is responsible to solve this problem or reply to the customer and solve the issue. That's it. And you will be able to see if Tally is replying to customer, you will be able to see the entire interaction here. And by that you can also learn if it is not a bug and if it is having any alternate solution, everything you will come to know. Are we clear on this? Why we are doing this? Okay. Yeah. So it is to transfer to site. If you have multiple branches, you can transfer in between your branches. If that is the case, it will be visible here. And transfer from account. If your account is transferring any issues to other branches, it will be visible. So there is one more bucket called as auto escalation from account. So auto escalation is nothing but, for example, customer has posted issue today at 5 o'clock, but if you are not responding to the issue by tomorrow 5 o'clock in the evening, then the issue gets auto escalated to Tally automatically by the system. So 24 hours is the time to resolve or reply to issue. Either you have to resolve it or reply it to the customer. Then it is been your issue. Otherwise, the issue gets auto escalated to Tally. Auto escalation in the sense, system will identify when the query is being posted by the customer and it will search for the time, and if time is exceeding more than 24 hours, it will escalate it to Tally. Then Tally will reply to the customer. So why it is done, and it is very important that as a TSP you will not have any escalations, then your the effectiveness as a TSP is very, very good. Otherwise it shows that you are not checking the Tally CRM for the issues. Are we clear on this? Any questions till now on auto escalations or escalations? Okay, Chima says no queries. Any other person having query here or any doubts on this? Okay, Gayatri says no doubt. So let us continue now. So like this, there are account issues and even my issues. Account is total account. My issues means if the issue is assigned to me, then that will be shown here. For example, this issue is assigned to now Abhay because I have replied and added the query. So these are my issues. Like this, it will show the entire issues for your account as well as the executive account. And replying properly to the customer or how it is being taken care, the issues. Then Tally will do the evaluations from Tally head office. That will be visible under quality review bucket. You will be able to see what is what the mark is being given, what the comment is being given, whether I am doing it properly or not when you go to this bucket. That's it. So you'll be able to see the quality also. Right? So this is entirely about support issues, and even you can add your customers to preferred customer. So you can have your own preferences, right? For example, you have 100 customers, but you have 10 customers who are under AMC, or 5 customers who are your corporate accounts. So where corporate customers are your accounts, let us assume in that case. So you can have your preferred customer linking also. Means you can add any customer name into your account saying he is my preferred customer. So whenever he is posting issue, I will be able to reply according to that. Let us assume if this customer is my AMC customer, I can just save it as AMC. You can see here, it says Gopi Krishna is added as AMC account. So what happens by this? It will show that this customer is important. Can you see here? It says AMC issue. This is AMC1. So by seeing this, you will be able to identify the customer and attend to him directly whenever it is he is posting issue. So it is available here. Right click here on the issues. Then you can go to my preferences. Under my preferences, we have preferred customer linking. And even you can add signatures from here. Right? So now let us see some reports for this support, whatever I have shown it to you now. So you can see the dashboard when you go to reports directly. Right? Can you see now 3 issues are there? This month added. Last month there are no issues for this account because they are not using the system. So like this you will be able to see how many issues you are adding into the system, then how many you are resolving, how many are pending. One by one you can see from here. So resolution, how many is being done? So it is just searching for. So now you can see there are 3 issues. Closed by executives are 2, right? Closed by account is also 1, and you can see pending with account is 1. Means 1 issue is pending with the account. And then any escalations you have done, that is also visible. How many numbers? So there is one escalation, manual escalation, which we have escalated as a bug, is visible. And customer info aging. So this is very important. How many customers you have acquired, it will show the information here. So you can see now customer acquired, there is 1. When I go to this, I'll be able to see the customer who has added me as a preferred service partner. So when you add more and more customers, the list will grow and you will be able to see your customer details automatically. Is this clear? Are we able to understand this? So when customer adds me as a preferred service partner, then this list will grow day by day. So these are all visible under reports also. And then key trend, how the audit is being done. So knowledge base, whether I'm searching knowledge base for a solution or what. So any matches found, resolved issues through a knowledge base, you can see assisted articles. Then we have audit analysis if it is done. Then capacity, how many executives or managers are there in my company? Like that, it will show the details entirely. And even some reports are there, ticket summary and other details, where I can see the information depending on the executive, how many issues we have handled, right? How many are closed, pending. Like this, there are so many reports which will help business owners as a TSP into your account. Any doubts till now? So, if there are no doubts, I will move on to the lead management system. Are we clear with the support and the related reports for that? Anwar says yes, yeah. What about others? Gayatri also says yes. So, why are we getting any sense of it? Is it useful for our companies? So that is what the very much important thing. So you may listen to me and attend this webinar, but if you feel that it is not useful, then you are not going to use it. Is it very useful to you as a Tally service partner is the question. How it helps you? It helps to organize your company, correct? And organize the processes, support system, everything it gives you, but are we going to use it? Very important thing. You may be getting calls from Tally saying that you need to use Tally CRM from now onwards, but I will tell you, if you are satisfied with how it works for you, then only we are going to use it. So let me know your feedback on this also, right? How is it going to help you? So start using the system for some days and see the changes that happens in the coordination of within your company. Very, very important. So shall we move on to leads if there are no queries? Okay. So now I will go to lead management system. So just I will brief you on this. At present, how are we tracking our leads in our company? So my question is, how are we doing it? For example, Gayatri is from Sesa Technology. How are we tracking our sales leads, Gayatri? Or Shilpa or Anwar? What we are doing it? Do we have any software to track the leads, or are we writing in Excel sheet or in book? How are we doing it right now? So Anwar says he is writing it in Excel. Okay, what about others? If anybody is there from sales department of the company, how are we tracking the leads? Only one person replied, Anwar Excel, he says. So Gayatri also from Excel sheet. So what are the advantages or disadvantages of using Excel sheet, Gayatri and Anwar?
right? Is it a centralized information? Can anybody track from anywhere? Yes. Anwar says it won't remind also. Yes, that's right. So we will see the system now, how it is being given and how it helps us to get more organized for leads also, right? So Anwar says regular renewal is possible if it is no reminding is there, how it can be possible. So let us see now how it helps. Now I will go to new and add a lead from this account. I'll just add one lead. Let us assume sales lead I am doing. You can have for existing customers also, or you can have new customers also. Existing customer in the sense, Tally.net subscription or new license he wants to buy. So you can add it. For new prospect, let us say Mr. Ramesh. So these three fields are mandatory: contact name, company name, phone number, mobile number. You can enter other details if required and select the state or whatever the details is required. And then what he is interested for. Is it sales, service or channel? Let us assume he is interested in Tally multi-user package and he wants to see the synchronization module or any other module for that matter, and when he should be contacted. Let us assume tomorrow at 4 p.m. Right? So there are classification here, whether it is a lead, inquiry or ready to buy. So inquiry is this, he is calling us, we don't know whether he is going to buy it. It is just an inquiry. Right? So we are not sure whether he is going to buy or not. Depending on that, we will mark this as a inquiry. If is I can say he is buying, readily buying, or if the probability is more than 50%, I will mark it as lead. Or I will mark it as buying, ready to buy. When some customer will come and say, I want to buy, please give me the quotation. So then it becomes ready to buy. So now I will mark it as inquiry, and then communication type is there. If customer is calling you, it will become inbound, or if you are doing any marketing activity, it becomes outbound. And then I will select telephone call, but I got it, and let me save it. So now the lead is being saved. So once you save the lead, it will come and sit in generated by account under sales lead account also, as well as sales lead with me, because I have added the lead for my account. Then it is as inquiry. So now onwards I can take the action, whether I am under follow-up, I am following it up with the customer or not, right? So when I am going to close it, expected closure date is there, and it will create automatically the task against that lead on that day. For example, 28th I will expect that this lead will be closed. So now it is in follow-up inquiry, and one more task is been added here on 28th. And then I can have an appointment with the customer. I can click on add an appointment. So let us assume tomorrow I have an appointment with this customer. I want to show the demo of synchronization module, and you can give management is there, ma'am. Who is there from Priyam Info Systems? May I know your name? I will show it to you how you can create the user. Yeah, Anil. I will show it to you, Anil, how to do that in user management. I have not yet finished, so I will come back to that. So I will coming back to the lead appointment. I am adding an appointment. I will give the executive some instruction. Customer wants to know about sync. Show the detailed demo and convert as sales. Right? So execution mode it says whether we are going to on-site or remotely we are giving it from our office itself, and when it has been given. 23, when it will be given. 4 p.m. and it will take 2 hours. So I can have the duration also, and I will allocate to myself, or I will allocate to any executive also created. So I'll save this. Now you can see there is the one more appointment is been added. I can open the appointment from here, and even if I go to home, we'll give attention here. We'll go to home, and you will be able to see in my dashboard. So there is a appointment on 23rd. You can see it is being highlighted or it is in bold color. So I can go to that option and say, right, 4 to 6 p.m. there is an appointment 6. From here I can select this and say mark action as completed if I am completed, so if it is required, if I am going today, right, and say done. So my task has been completed. So today it will move again and it will come here. So when I do that, when I go to customer place, you can have task completion form also. Can you see this? So this is very important. When you see, it will automatically tag all the information, who is the customer and what you have done. For support services, you can use this form very effectively. If customer is doing check printing or not, synchronization he is doing or not, remote edit he is doing or not. For support services, it becomes very, very vital. In future, you can track this information and call them for any further services and take the customer feedbacks also, like is it excellent or good or whatever it is, right? So you can have your own, customer can give his own comments on that and take the customer signature and come back. This is on-site service visit report. Okay. So this is how you will track the lead, and depending on that appointment, I will say he is ready to buy right now, right? So now the lead status will change again. So now you can see it is in red color and it will move to ready to buy folder. And when I'm saying action, mark as win, I can set what is the reason he is happy with the new feature or whatever the setup he is having or affordability or faster is a requirement. So he is able to buy it. And you need to enter the serial number. It is mandatory. When you are selling, if you add wrong serial number, it will not accept. It says not a valid serial number, and you can enter the correct serial number and save it. So now the issue that lead is been won or closed, you can say, or even you can say dropped also. If there is a drop of lead, I can say dropped also, and even I can say mark as contact later. For example, if customer says, now my financial year is not closed, you call me after 3 months or 6 months. So even that case, I can go and say mark as contact later. In February, I need to contact him. So that is also possible in the system. So on that day, it will give you one task in the dashboard. Right? So any doubts on the lead management? Support services where from our customer care we will transfer service leads to partners, and how it will work, how you have to register your mobile number, everything you can learn from there. So any questions here? So I'll go back to the user management. Before that, if you have any questions, you can raise it now. No questions? Okay, Shilpa says who to register, how to So let me take the home page. Now here Abhay has logged in. So now you can click on my profile here. It will show the mobile number. You can add it here. Can you see there is one mobile number which is already been added and the SMS has been sent. Right? When you forward that SMS, it will be activated. But this is not been done. Half the way it is being done. Okay. Shilpa, do you have any other number which I can register and show it to you now? How it works? Any mobile number which is not registered yet. So let me take that mobile number and put it here, and it will send an SMS to you. You can forward that. Do you have any mobile number which can be registered? So this pending for activation should go, then only it is full registration, means the registration process is complete. Yes, Shilpa, do you have any mobile number? Okay, no reply from Shilpa. So if you have mobile number, you let me know. I will be able to show it to you here. So then, okay, it says 982256. Oh, right. So let me see this, how it works. I will save this. Do you have mobile with you right now? See, we can register both the numbers, but you should have logins. For example, Abhay is one, and you can create your login and register your mobile number. Okay, like that. So how to create user, I will let you know. So I'll save this now. It says profile change successfully. Now you should get one mail, the SMS on your mobile. Please let me know if you have received it. It will be sending within 1 minute if service network is if service provider is delivering it to you right away. It will come within 1 minute. So you let me know when you receive the SMS. Right? Anil, you are asking the question how to differentiate between sales and support. So now you can create support executive as a security level. So it is like in Tally what we have given as allow access or disallow access. So there are some options which are sales as well as support here. Now for your executive, support executive, you can give only support related options here. For example, I can say add, edit, issue interaction is required for a support executive. And allow reactivation. So this I will let you know what is allow reactivation. It is very important. For example, 7.2 customer, if they format the computer 7.2, 9, 8.1 or 6.3 customers, if they format the computer and if they call you that it is giving error, Tally is giving error. So what will you do right now? How are you tracking that issue? How are we solving the problem? If I'm a 7.2 customer, I called you and said that my Tally is not working because I have formatted the computer. So how you are going to solve this problem? Anwar, Gayatri, anybody can tell us? So this option is very important where as a TSP you can only give the permission for this customer. So at present how are we doing it? Yeah. Anwar says we used to depend on support center. Absolutely, Anwar. So that is being given to you right away. You can give the permission. I will show it to you how it works. So coming back to Anil. Anil, you can, Anil, are you there with me? Premium Info Systems? Yeah. So you can give only the related, means support related option to them. For example, I can say here forward to operational accounts or then preferred customers, then manage templates, then receive lead alerts, right? Search serial accounts, like this. If you want to give dashboard, you can give it or you can disable it, right? So like this you can create your own security level, sales executive or support executive depending on the requirement. So now I will be able to see different security levels here under list of security levels. Now I can create user. So while creating user, select that particular security level and enter the email ID. It will send mail to, it will send password to that account. So Shilpa says not received message yet. Yeah, depends on your service provider also, Shilpa. What is the service provider? If BSNL or any other number, it will take so much time because we will deliver it to the service provider, but they will deliver it late. Okay, Premium Infosys system has given me some levels over here. Yeah, you can do that here. Like a support manager. Yeah, support manager will have all the options, almost all. Okay, and Premium Infosystem says back office CRM entry, lead creation, lead transfer, AMC, call message, call alignment, executive, sales related entries are not allowed. Please provide direct linking on this. This will be taken up because there are some reports in sales which cannot be deactivated. This we will work it out and we are giving it in next releases of BSS. Yeah, BSS. This will be done definitely, sir. Okay, sales executive excluding XLS report export in any report and CRM activity sales related only. Yeah, I got it. This we will definitely work it out. Okay. So here Shilpa says email ID. I'll just create that email ID. Shilpa Daisha Croftwork and say save. Already created. Once you log in and log out, it will come. So it will send a mail to you, Shilpa, right now. Okay, so this is how you can create the users and assign them required information, required skill level, and create as many as users. And there is no restriction on user creation. You can create n number of users. And whenever you don't want it, you can delete also if not required. Okay. Right. So by that I have shown how you can create users and all other options. Right. Priyam says when we are expecting the date is not fixed, sir. We have given the feedback. Next releases when it happens, you will get to know. You will receive a mail when the new release comes. Okay? Yeah. And then, so any other doubts? So by this I have finished the support center or Tally CRM demo. You have any doubts, you can discuss with me now. And let me know how is the Tally CRM. Your suggestions, feedback also very important, whether it is going to help you in your day-to-day activities. And in future, you can track the customer information and have more and more customers acquired to your account and expand more in your services businesses. Any doubts from the participants? Anwar, Shilpa, how is the system? So are we going to use it? Okay, Shilpa says yes. What about others? Priyam Info System, I guess you're already using it. What is your feedback on the system, sir? How is it helping to you? Any suggestions you have apart from the user creation? Okay, Anwar says difference between support executive and support manager. Yeah, support executive and support manager is, manager will have the privileges like transferring the issue to account lead or the executive. So you will have some more options than forward. So he will be a coordinator in that case. So one more thing I forgot, how to give the permission, right? So you can go to search button here and say, Anwar says, can we create one security level and apply to all users? Yes, you can do that. It is not required to create a security level for different ones. You can have one user and create one security level and assign it to everybody. Possible, sir. Right? So I'm going to search option here and say some 7.2 or previous serial number. So you can see this is the 7.2 serial number. Now, if it is formatted, I can go to license details under search. So I will repeat it once again. How to search it? I'll go to search button and enter the serial number and search it. It will open the serial number details. Don't worry about this block. It is internal serial number. Okay. And then we have 7.2 3.14 release. Here license details, there is one tab. Under that you can see action button. And it says allow reactivation under action button. So when I say allow reactivation, it will allow me to give the permission to the customer and say what is the reason he has formatted the system or the hard disk is changed, system is crashed, and click on perform operation, then you will be able to give the permission. Right? So whenever customer calls for the blocked issue, you can give allow reactivation. You can do it from your end itself. Right? Yeah. Any other queries? Okay, Anwar says it is very really nice to get these options. Yeah. Thank you very much, Anwar. And what about others? What is the feedback on the system? And what is the feedback on the webinar also? Were you able to understand what I'm telling you on the webinar? Were you able to get the information? What you're looking for? Were your expectation met? Please let me know. All the participants, if there is some problem where you are unable to understand also, please let me know so that we can improve upon that. So all your feedbacks are welcome. Okay, Anwar says it helps us to give support outstation visits with late night support. Yeah, anywhere, sir. Rupa says the webinar was useful. Right, thank you, Rupa. Okay, Rupa was not there in the interaction. Yesterday she was there in the direct. Okay, Shilpa says his first experience, which is really great. Yeah, thank you, Shilpa, for that feedback. So start using it. Best of luck to you all to use the system and be a part of L1 support system and take your services business forward. Okay, Anwar says, Gopi, can I have your number? Definitely, sir. I will share the number. You can send mail to tsp@tallysolutions.com if it is a general query. Okay, this is exclusively for our TSPs, and somebody will attend to that. And my contact details is, you can call us on. Okay, and extension is at present 3128, and my mobile number is okay. So you can note down the information. Yeah, Mary says, please tell in TP account for what used to create site under manage account, site search. Yeah, for that is been given if you have multiple sites, Mary. For example, so you can see here create site. Now you have one branch in some place, and in future you want to have one more branch. So in that case, you can create your own branch here. If you have multiple branches, it can be created. So that's why it is called as site. So when you're expanding your business, if you have more branches as TP or TSP, you can create it. That's it. Is it clear? Are you getting what I'm saying, Mary? Okay. Yeah. And the SMS? Okay, not yet, she says. Fine. So when you receive, you can forward it. Or if it's not working, please get back to us. So we'll see how we can register it, Shilpa. Okay. So any other queries from other participants? Shall we conclude the session? And how was the webinar? Is it was okay to all and able to understand whatever we have shared here? Okay, Anwar says really good. Thank you very much, sir. And your participation also was awesome. Everybody participated very enthusiastically. I can see that. So let us carry that enthusiasm and start using the system and be a effective TSP in your area. Okay, Chima says, if you have possible, please give me its PP. I'm not getting your query. Shilpa says, yes, it's great, really nice. Yeah, thank you very much. And I'm concluding the session here. Okay, Shilpa says, please let us know all webinars. Yeah, we are sending it to all TSPs. Are you not getting, Shilpa? We are sending it to the account ID which is being mentioned in your account. So we are sending it across. To all the webinars we are sending the replies. Okay, you mean to say you want to receive on your email ID, your email ID. Okay, we will try to do that. I'll include your email also. Yeah. Okay. Thank you very much. Have a great, pleasant evening, and take care of yourself. Right. So I'm signing off from here. Gopi Krishna. So we'll meet later. We will be conducting more and more webinars to enable our partners. So thank you very much, and have a great day ahead. Bye. Yeah, how to register it, that's what is asking. Let me show it once. So in Tally CRM, you can go, okay, and say admin, right, general, and PSC training calendar. One is here, 22nd September, right? So this you can see, and you can register it here. Click on register, it will automatically, you can register here. Yeah, Chima, are you there with me? Yeah. So like this, you can go to next month. There will be updated one. So next webinars also there can you see revisiting batch and payroll is on 29th. So you can come to that webinar. Yeah. When you register, you will get a invitation link to your mail ID. Okay. Thank you.